What is going on today, everybody? I hope you guys are having a good day. Today is Saturday and it's good weather out here. I got my shades on, you know, looking all clean, profiling. I'm just kidding. Alright, so today's video is not an install video, it's just kind of me talking video. I'm all black, whatever. So if you guys look behind me, there is no Cummins here. Alright, my truck's not here right now. It's at a shop getting something done to it. Once I get back picking it up, you guys are going to see what got done. You guys are also going to see what's going to be coming up tomorrow when I make a video. I think you guys are going to really like tomorrow's video, and we'll be able to catch up and talk about everything that happened with the steering brace and all that stuff like that. All right, so I am going to pick my truck up and show you guys what I got done to it. I think you guys would like it, or at least enjoy the video. Also, like always, thank you guys who new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to my videos. My name is Cameron. I appreciate you guys subscribing, liking the video. Everybody else who's been here since day one, thank you guys so much for investing your time in the channel, on the Instagram and all that stuff, okay? I'm really appreciative of it, and I just want to thank you guys again. So I'm going to go pick my truck up right now, and then we're going to get back, and then we're going to catch up, spit a little bit, talk about what's going on tomorrow. Got a little nice cool unboxing for y'all, so you guys stay tuned, and once again, thank you for watching.
I put it off for a day. I come back around your way, searching for what I could say that accurately could convey the way that I feel in the word. That's different than what you done heard. So many done hit you with game, so many been sent to the curb. And I did not come here to play, and I did not come to observe, and I did not come here to play, but I did not come to observe. Feel me? Niggas fit, yeah. Don't think I'm good for this shit, yeah. Too busy thinking what if, yeah. I shoot my shot in the brick. Flick, yeah. Another nigga for lip, yeah. Putting my heart in the click, yeah. Can't see my heart in the fit, yeah. Don't think I'm done for this shit, yeah. Too busy thinking what if.
What's going on, you guys? I'm back again. Just a little, I hope you guys enjoyed a little preview. That was just me showing you I did two things to the truck. The lighting is so bad outside because the sun's pretty much, the sun already set, so it's getting dark right now. I apologize for that. I wanted to film earlier, but I got caught up in doing some stuff. But what I was trying to show pretty much was two things. One, the truck got detailed. I took it, dropped it off, got it washed, waxed. Cleaned up, inside got cleaned up real good. Everything came out so nice, and it looks so pretty right now. The camera doesn't do justice. Also, number two was, if you guys were paying attention and noticed, the two front doors, windows, and windshield got tinted. Yeah, I dropped it off today. It was a detail / tint shop, so I told them, hey, listen, I want some tints, and I want the truck cleaned up, washed, waxed, and all that good stuff. So they did that. I went ahead and went with a 35% windshield tint. I'm also getting a brow done, so the top part of the windshield, I'm going to get a brow done. I'm going to get that done. It's going to be like 5% limo. So I went ahead and did that. I also got a 35% on the windshield, and then the driver and passenger window, I got 5% on those. So it's going to look, it looks so good. I'm so happy. Lifetime warranty, everything. I got a good deal on it. For those of you that don't know, when you guys go to get tints and stuff like that done, pay cash. If you pay cash, a lot of times they'll cut you a little break because they don't have to pay sales tax, and it can go underneath the table, so nobody knows it happened. So that's what I was trying to show you, but that is not the purpose of this video. Also, another thing too to mention is that if you guys hear music in the background, that's me playing J. Cole's new album. I'm huge into I like all genres of music: hip hop, R&B, country. I listen to country. Yes, I listen to country. I like country. I like a pretty broad spectrum of music. So J. Cole just came out. He's one of my favorite artists. He came out with a new album the other day. For those of you that keep up with the hip hop scene, he came out with a new album. I'm in love with it, so that's why I'm playing in the background. If this video gets hit with copyright or whatever, I don't care really, just because I like his music. So the purpose of this video is because I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be recording and what I'm going to be installing tomorrow on the truck. Okay, you guys know about the steering brace, but you guys don't know about this next one coming up. All right, so I think you guys will really enjoy this. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and reposition myself, get the camera set up, and we're gonna go from here, and I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna be doing tomorrow. Okay. What is in the box? Oh, what is that? All right, you guys, this is it. This is what I got. Glow shift gauges, finally, man. I'm so excited to get some gauges on the truck. She deserves it, you know. And yep, look at that baby right there. Look at her right there. I wish it was bright outside. I should have recorded this earlier. I'm sorry, guys. But yes, this is it. This is glow shift gauges. I ordered some and they came in. So this is just going to be a nice little sneak peek unboxing, showing that I got what's going to be coming up in the next video install. This is the first time I've opened the box. I just opened it, all right? So I opened the box up. Let's see what we got here. We got 10% off coupon for glow shifts, 50% or $50 and more, free shipping. Okay, cool. I'll throw that on the floor because I don't need that. So we got that. Oh, sweet. Gave us a little glow shift sticker. I'm going to be putting this on the toolbox here. So if you guys don't know, I'm going to be throwing on stickers for the toolbox. I went ahead and reordered the garage. I know it doesn't look like it, but trust me, if you guys have been watching the videos before, and if you happen to pay attention to the way the garage looked before, it looked way worse. The only reason why it looks like it's cluttered right now is because this mower is in here and I have a box there with a baby stroller, so it looks way better. There's actually a path you can walk down now. But anyways, I'm gonna start a sticker collection. I'm gonna slap them all on the side here and all on the other side over there. So if you guys got stickers, you want me to rep your sticker, by all means mail it out to me. Hit me up. I'll give you an address to send it to. I was debating on opening the PO box, but it just depends, situation. Anyways, unboxing. We got a glow shift product catalog here. I guess this is like all the parts and stuff they sell or whatever, gauges and stuff. So nice. If you guys are curious, I did get this off eBay. That was the best deal location I can get. This right here, it seems to be some type of glow shift harness, gauge accessories. So I'm assuming this is going to be the harness for all the accessories running from the gauges to, like, I don't know, the fuse box or something. I watched a video earlier on the install. Actually, the install was on this truck right here. That's crazy. So this is it, you guys. I went ahead for the gauges. I did a, let's see, I did a 60 psi. So I got a boost gauge, EGT gauge, fuel pressure gauge. Okay. Originally, this right here was going to be the fuel pressure gauge was going to be a trans temp, but I don't need that because I get trans temp on my Minimax. But I definitely needed this because I don't get this on the Minimax, and I need to be able to keep an eye on fuel pressure. The fuel pressure gauge is going to be connecting directly into the air dog. There's a fit-in port there for it to connect onto. EGT one, that's simple. Connect that to the exhaust manifold. Boost gauge, that's also simple. It's going to go onto the intake side for boost, so it'll all be good. I do get boost readings from the Minimax. Now the reason why I decided to keep that is because depending on how everything goes with the truck and the way I'm trying to go, if it happens to where I have to go through EFI Live tuning because I can't get custom tuning for H&S Minimax MTC tuning, which there are like 2 or 3 companies in the whole country that I can still get that from, but in a scenario where I can't, I will still have a boost gauge, and this goes up to 60 psi, which is pretty sweet. So all the gauges are in here. Oh snap! I was not expecting that. Okay, the gauges are here. There you go. We got boost, exhaust temp, fuel pressure. Hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh man, I can't wait. I'm gonna be running these on the color blue because these are also multicolored gauges. So you guys didn't know, you can change the colors to, like, I think you get like 10, 12 color choices. I'm gonna be running on the blue, even though my lights on my dash are green, but I think it'll be a nice contrast. So I just want you guys to see what it is mechanically driven for the boost gauge. 0 to 60, 9 feet of hose and tubing. It's going to go from 0 to 2400 for the EGT gauge. That's awesome. Fuel pressure. It comes with all the MPT threads and wire harness. and it's going to go from 0 to 30 psi, which is more than enough for the application this truck is going to be. This is not a race truck, drag truck, sled truck, so I'm not worried about that. I cannot wait to install these bad boys. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. And that's tomorrow. Remember, tomorrow. Expect the video tomorrow night, tomorrow evening. There will be a video on glow shift installs, okay? This is all accessories needed. I'm not going to open that right now because when I make the video tomorrow, you guys will see me open that stuff up. It also came with the pillar. This is the pillar, so that way you can install it. So pretty much where the oh shit handle is on the, you guys know what the oh shit handle is. Where that's at, this is going to go there. It's not the same color as the interior because the interior is like a grayish color, but it's all good. If I really wanted to, I can paint that black or paint it the gray color, but I don't care. I don't think it's a big deal. So we got that here, installation guide. So that's a nice Ram. I just noticed that. That's a nice truck. Tires are a little skinny, but I like it. Hell yeah. 03 to 09, boys and girls. I don't forget the ladies. But this is nice. This is nice stuff. And then obviously here's probably just a receipt or something. Yep, that's a receipt. All right. Yep, so this is it, guys. Glow shift gauges, they're coming in the truck. I can't wait. It's going to be a good install. I hope you guys like it. And like I said, in certain installs, or I'm going to try my installs to include, I'm going to be using my GoPro in conjunction with, just because I want to be able to provide you guys the best installation videos. This will be a how-to video, so it might be, you know, a little long, but it's a how-to video. But you guys know I'm going to try to make it as entertaining, as enjoyable as possible. It won't just be a bunch of boring snooze, you know, type stuff. So that's it. All right, you guys. So this one, boxing, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on it, but this is going to be the steering brace unboxing. I'm contemplating on if I want to do both of these in the same video. If anything, I might split them up just so that way that video is going to be sometime. I know it's going to take a bit. Obviously, I'm not going to film every single thing, and I'm going to time lapse a lot, but I don't want to be 30 minutes long. I'll probably end up, actually, yeah, I'm probably going to make 2 separate videos. So steering brace, they sent me a sticker. The company I got it from is called Heavy Metal. One sec. This is the company I got this from. It was like 90 bucks on, I think I got this on eBay. But yeah, this is the company I got it from, Heavy Metal. So I got that with them. Everything's the same. If you guys watched the previous video with the steering brace, you guys know what would typically come in this type of packaging. I'm not going to go super in depth like I did in the last video on it. Just know that I do have a steering brace. This is it. I was trying to show you guys the part here where the part on the old one was messed up. Alright, so as you can, oh man, this is pretty. This already looks nicer than the old one. Alright, so that's that right there. Notice how it has that elbow, that bend in it. It's not just a straight flat piece. It has that curve in it, so it can actually slide up onto the steering shaft, which is going to be good. This sticker is also going on the toolbox. Serious about the sticker, guys. I got a few more stickers in the house I want to throw on here. So, like I said, if you guys got stickers and you want me to rep it for you, hit me up. I have no problem with that. Okay. So that's that. Steering brace, glow shift gauges. Okay. All right, you guys. So that is going to be it for this video. Yes, I know it's dark. I apologize for that. I'm not a huge fan. I hate working in the dark. If you guys know this from my previous videos, I cannot stand when it's dark, especially now because time changed, so it gets dark a lot sooner, a lot earlier. But yes, please be expecting a glow shift install tomorrow on the channel, okay? So I'm just giving, this is your heads up. And this is actually the first time I've done this where I showed something on YouTube first before I showed it on Instagram. Usually it's flipped, but I wanted to switch it up for you guys. All right, you guys, I appreciate you guys so much. Like I said in the beginning of the video, thank you guys so much for watching my videos, for subscribing, liking the video, commenting, sharing it. I appreciate it so much. You guys are awesome. If you guys got anything you want to drop in the comment box, please drop it. You guys, the ones who already have been, you guys comment on some awesome stuff. You guys either give me good advice and I'll be like, hey man, I didn't know that, thank you so much. Or I'll, you guys come to me with questions, asking about, just different stuff like that. Once again, I reply to every single comment on YouTube, on my videos. Look at all my videos in the past and you will see a comment from me. I usually like it or I'll love it and then I'll comment. But that's it. Also, if you're subscribed to the channel, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe first. But if you are already, make sure you hit the bell button on the Alright, you guys, sorry about that. My camera clicked out. So, like I was saying before, make sure you hit that bell notification on the subscription, okay? That way, every time I put a video out, you get notified that, hey, Everything Diesel has a new video out. That way you guys can get hit up with the newest content, because a few people still messaging me saying that they didn't know a video came out until they went on my channel and saw it. So I want you guys to be able to see my content and be able to enjoy it, okay? Once again, if you guys have anything you want to say, please don't be afraid to drop it in the comment box below. Also, if you are not already, go ahead and go on to the Instagram, follow the Instagram channel at Everything Diesel, or at Everything_Diesel, and you will see a lot of more content, a lot more sneak peeks, a lot more everything on the Instagram, okay? So that's pretty much going to be your heads up for when a video is coming to the YouTube channel, okay? So nonetheless, I thank you guys. I appreciate you guys. You guys are the bomb. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Until next time, which is going to be tomorrow, because we're doing gauges. You guys take care. Have a good Saturday night. Peace.